Thank you. Hello.
Uh-oh.
Look at the ladybug.
Wow.
You see it? Oh, it's so cute.
Hey, dude.
I walked in there.
Let me try.
Oh, no, don't creep me. No.
Oh no! Yucky!
Help me.
No, Braxton! Ew, gross!
Give me. I want to see. What is this?
Oh! I can't believe it! Oh my gosh! I gotta laugh.
Hello.
Put it down! Put it down, Evan! Put it down! Evan, put it down!
Jax, are you supposed to be feeding the dogs?
NANI?
What do you think? Oh, it's otter.
Oh, my kitty.
Waylon, that's a fishy.
He likes it. Oh, he's gonna give him a kiss.
So slippery. I can't hold it.
Oh, no, I don't want it. Go put it in the bucket. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe you just grabbed that by yourself.
The bug. Hope you like her. This I've had her for like 5. Is it dead? Yeah, it's dead.
It is not dead.
Hey, baby.
Oh, you can't.
I would love to have a conversation with you. That's a step.
No, it's just. No.
Yeah, what if it jumps on it? I'll be round. You ready? Face, baby.
You wanna watch superheroes?
Go get him! Go, go, go! Run, go after him! Go get him! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
What do you got?
Careful.
Don't squeeze.
Careful, don't squeeze.
Be gentle. Say hi, baby. Cricket here? Delicious. No more crickets for you?
Is that a buggy? What do we say to the cicada? No, 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 yuck, yuck, yuck. Better turn around, get on right.
No, you're not eating the potato bug. You're not. No. What is it? Is it a fly? Oh, oh. Hold on. Oh, he likes it. I'm gonna go first. Whoa! Uh-oh. You okay?
We do this. Just stay still. I expect she just here. She's not gonna hurt you. There you go. There you go.
Oh, it bit her. Oh, Dad.
What sound is that?
It's okay.
Open your hand.
Look, he's cute.
Oh, you found some food.
What is that?
Just get ready.
No, Connor, don't eat the fly.
All right.
Don't squeeze it.
Is it yummy?
No, don't squeeze it. You're gonna... No, ew. Dude.
You're gonna hold the fishy?
You gonna hold it?
Hold it.
Hold it. You can hold it. Nope. Hello.
Go pet one.
Dang, buddy. It moved and scared the shit out of me.
Squeezing the shit out of it, too. Look at him. He didn't want to do, but he said, "What is this?"
Nani?
Look at the fishy Mosey.